Today I am going to teach you social science. Which subject? Social science. What is social science? Social science is the study of human society and social relationship. Okay? See the board. 4th standard. First term. Unit 2. Social science. Topic 5 landforms. Once again I repeat, topic 5 landforms. Okay? We live on Earth. We live on Earth. The life zone of Earth's surface is called biosphere. What's called? Biosphere. Okay? Biosphere dependent on lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. What are they? Lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. Okay. First of all, lithosphere. Continents and landforms constitute lithosphere. Continents and landforms. Okay. Next one, hydrosphere. Hydro means water. Hydro means water. The name itself we can understand. The major water bodies, oceans, seas, rivers, lakes, etc. constitute hydrosphere. The next one, atmosphere. What is that? Atmosphere. The air surrounding the Earth's surface. The air surrounding the Earth's surface is called atmosphere. Okay. 71% of Earth's surface is covered by water. Covered by water. This blue color. Okay. Remaining 29% by land. Continents and landforms. Continents and landforms. Okay. So, in this topic, you have to learn about 5 landforms. How many? 5 landforms. In the Sangam age of ancient Tamil Nadu. In the Sangam age of ancient Tamil Nadu. This is an interesting topic. Are you ready to listen? Okay, shall I start the lesson? Standard 4th, first term, social science, unit 2, 5 landforms. What is called landforms? The places we see on the surface of the earth is called landforms. For what purpose you are learning this unit? Learning objectives. To know about different types of landforms in ancient Tamil Nadu. To know about the themes of classification of landforms. To understand the lifestyle of people in different landforms of Tamil Nadu. Physical features and landforms of Tamil Nadu. In the solar family, Earth is the 3rd planet. It has oxygen and temperature to live. Therefore, we call the Earth as biosphere. The Earth is surrounded by 5 elements of nature. What are they? Land, water, air, fire and sky. Once again I repeat, land, water, air, fire and sky. Here you are going to study about land. You are going to study about land. Here you see the physical features of the land. Physical features of the land. What are they? Mountain, forest, plain, seashore and dry land. Okay. Landforms of Tamil Nadu. The 5 types of landforms in Sangam age were divided on the basis of the work done by the people. On what basis? On the basis of the work done by the people. Out of the 5 thenae, only 4 types were permanent. They were Kurunji, Mullai, Marudam and Neidal. The 5th land Palai was formed when Kurunji and Mullai dried up. 5 landforms, what are they? Kurunji, Mullai, Marudam நெய்தல் and பாலை. Kurunji land. Kurunji land means the area covered by mountains. Okay. What is a mountain? A mountain is a large geographical area that rises above the surrounding land with peaks. Okay. The mountain and its surroundings are known as Kurunji land. So, Kurunji land means what will be coming to your mind? Yes, mountains. That's right. The people lived here are called as Kuravar and Kurathiyar. Kuravar and Kurathiyar. Their occupation, hunting animals. Okay. Next, gathering honey from beehives. Okay. Which type of plant and flower here? Bamboo plant and Kurunji flower. Which flower? Kurunji flower. Then what are the animals and birds here? Monkey and parrot. Monkey and parrot. Deer and peacock. Deer and peacock. Which musical instrument used here? Kurunjiyal. Kurunjiyal. Which type of soil here? The soil of Kurunji land. The land of Kurunji was composed of red and black soils. Red and black soils. Miraculous flower Kurunji. Now discuss about Kurunji flower. The miraculous Kurunji flower blooms once in 12 years between the months of July and September. How many years? Once in 12 years. Okay. Next, welcome to forest area. What is that? Yes, Mullai land. What is that? Mullai land. What is forest? A large area covered by trees is called forest. The forest region is referred as Mullai land. This region is also called Sembulam. What is that? Sembulam. Due to the presence of red soil. Let us see the theme one by one. Here, people, Idayar and Idaichiyar. Idayar and Idaichiyar. What is their occupation? Cattle rearing and gathering fruits. Cattle rearing and gathering fruits. Which type of plant and flower? Gova. Next, flower? Mullai flower. All of us like Gova fruit and Mullai flower. Then, which type of birds and animals here? Animals? Bear, rabbit. Bear, rabbit. Bird, parrot. Parrot. Next, which type of musical instrument used here? Mullayal. Mullayal. Okay. Next, we will see the people and their occupations. Okay. They are selling milk. So, Idayar, milk seller. Ayar, cattle rearer. Okay. What about the soil of Mullai land? The land of Mullai has red soil with stones and pebbles. With stones and pebbles. Now we see the heading forest in Tamil Nadu. First one, mangrove forest in Pichavaram of Kadalur district. Second one, reserve forest in Kanyakumari district. Third one, Malai forest in Nilgiri district. Fourth one, Sola forest in Coimbatore and Nilgiris districts. Okay students, thank you for listening. Students, we will see the remaining landforms in the next class. Thought for the day. Start where you are. Start where you are. Use what you have. Use what you have. Do what you can. Do what you can. But always do your best. Always do your best. Okay students, stay home, stay safe,
Have a nice day.